Hi guys, this is archon Forex here and welcome back into my YouTube channel. Today's video is about our weekly analysis. We did our weekly analysis on GBP USD, Euro USD, XA USD and USD CAD. Without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the video. Right now we have our GBP USD on the screen right now, which is on weekly time frame. Now we came to weekly time frame to know what happened last week. So on last week candle, as we can see here, we are having a candlestick of a weak rejection candle, which is like a pin bar. A pin bar which indicates a sell for us for last week. This candle here. So this candle here is indicating a sell for us. It's indicating a sell for us. So we should be expecting a sell for the week, because you can see we have a lot of ranging around here. We have a lot of range around here. The range here a lot. Market range here a lot. For eventually now have this breakout. We'll eventually have this breakout, then I'll end here for last week. Now with this, now you should be expecting a sell for the week. Now with that, we are going to daily time frame. Now daily time frame, what do we have here? In the daily time frame, I've seen a bearish rejection candle here on the weekly time frame, although it's also aligned with excuse me, although it's also aligned with this support zone here. It's also aligned with this support zone here. So market is still on a bearish move because of this bearish candle we have here, and on a weekly time frame, the candle we have there. Now moving on, let's go to 4 hour so we can see. But before we go to 4 hour, let's stay here on 1 hour. Let me mark this zone out on daily time frame. So we have this break of structure here. So we have this break of structure here. So with this break of structure, so we are expecting the origin that caused this break of structure, which is something here, should be taken out. Which means if this market should be taken out here, we have a bearish candle to the downside here, that means we are going for a sell. But if market fail to give us a break of structure here and change of character here, definitely we are still going for a buy. Now, so with that, let's go to 4 hour. Now on 4 hour here, on 4 hour here, adjusting my change of my break of structure that was happening here. Let me adjust it well. Okay, let me adjust it well. Okay, good. Now this is support zone that I'm talking about. So this has already formed into a support zone here. Let me write so we're having this support zone here. Support. So this side and center. Excuse me. Okay. So we're having this support zone here, and market is tapping to the support zone now. So since we have this support zone, what should we be expecting next? So we are expecting a sell. A buy with this candle here. Now the weekly candle is giving us a bearish candle, though we are still on a bullish move, but the last week candle is a bearish candle, so we have to take that into consideration. So now we are now in 4 hour and we're having this support zone which is backing up the trend for us. Despite the fact that we're having a bearish candle for the week, we still have to follow the trend. So which is this now backing the trend up for us, unless we have this support zone here taken out, that's when we'll now be changing our bias to sell. But for now, we're still having this bullish movement. Still have this bullish movement. Now let's go to 1 hour. So here on 1 hour, so here on 1 hour, market is doing great here. It's giving us what we want. So we're having this support zone here on 1 hour, which is also backing the 4-hour movement. It's also backing the 4-hour movement. So now, since we have this 4-hour, this 1 hour bullish engulfing candle, I mean this bullish engulfing candle is giving us more clarity that market might continue the buying. So, but before then, let's mark all this. Let's read all this structure so we can know what's really going on. So we have this break of structure here. And this break of structure here. So the origin has not been tapped in. So we have this other one here also. We have this break of structure also. So on 1 hour here, this is the last break of structure that we have here. On 1 hour. So this is the last break of structure. Continue, let's go to 15 minutes. Now here on 15 minutes, we have a well formed double bottom here on the support zone. In all indications, we're having everything pointing to bullish trend for us. We're having a buy. Now, in all indications, we're having a buy. Now, on weekly time frame now, this is the double bottom that we are having presently now. We're having this double bottom here. So with this double bottom here, we are expecting this market to continue to the upside. So we have to now take caution. We should be very careful when we are going to take this trade. It's not like we're just going to jump into the buy like that. Why am I saying that? Is because you should see this range here, this 3 candle around here. Until market take these 3 candles out, this, let me mark it like this. Let's say, sorry, so until market take these candles out, until I have this market being taken out, then I can now confidently enter my buy, because market might come here and pull back again into this other block here. That's the reason why market might start in here. You know, the market is on we are at weekend now, so market will open by Monday, and on Monday market might drop down to this other block here and then shoot to the upside. So if market comes here, I will be taking my trade, or even just break this level and I will join the market. Let's see, maybe we can see anything on 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, I think nothing much, because we are still seeing the kind of resistance zone that this place is now turning to a resistance zone now, because markets have already tapped in here. So if it gets here, it's again same thing as happen. So back to 15 minutes again, same thing might happen. So that's it. So which is, I'll be waiting for market to come here. If market come back here, I'll enter my trade here. Market come back to this level, market come back to this place, I'll enter my trade. So I'll have it something like this. So I'll have it something like this. Then I'll be targeting 1:3. So that's it. Or I can just break this level on 5 minutes. If you go to 5 minutes, I might just break this zone. If I can break this zone on 5 minutes and trace back on it, I will enter my trade again. So that's the two direction I might take my trade on. continue, let's go to Euro USD, XA USD. Let's go to XA USD. Okay, same thing. Let's go to 4 hour. Oh, sorry, 1 week. Now on a weekly time frame, we can see market is still on a bullish trend. As we see last week, market is still on a bullish trend. Last week, still continue on its bullish trend. So now we are just going to go to daily time frame. On daily time frame, see what is happening here. Okay, let me just go to 15 minutes. These are the trades I took last week on gold. These are the trades I took last week on gold. This is one here, another one here, and another one here. I think this one stopped me out before moving to my direction. Let's see. Yeah, no, it doesn't. Okay, there's another here. This is one here, and another one here. These are my 3 trades I took on gold last week. So back to daily time frame. So let's clear all this so that we can have a clean chart. Let's clear all this. Now we have this last break of structure here. We have this last break of structure. Here. So, and this is the origin for the break of structure here. So market is on it. Now back to 4 hour. I will adjust this 4 hour. This kind of break of structure. Okay, I have this break of structure now, and this is the origin that caused the break of structure, and market is on it presently. So what should we be expecting? Same thing. So market is on it. What should we be expecting? We should be expecting market to pull out from here. We should have a buy. Now let's go to 1 hour again. Now on 1 hour, we have this clear chart pattern here, because we have this last break of structure. This one here. We have this break of structure here. Then after that, we have this change of character. Then continue having this break of structure again. This break of structure again. So which means this is the last break of structure here on 1 hour. Now let's go to 15 minutes. For 15 minutes, I think we have this small break of structure here, but if you see it will show when we go to 5 minutes. So now you see how this last break of structure on 15 minutes as well. But market is now giving us a double bottom, same thing as GBBUSD, but the market has already taken out this neckline already. So what I'll be expecting is for market to retrace back here a little, then we continue. Now let's see, maybe we can see anything to back our entry on 5 minutes. Okay, exactly on 5 minutes. This is the last break of structure that we have. 5 minutes. We have this last break of structure here. So once we have this last break of structure here, market failed to give us another break of structure to the downside. Since then, market just break this last high. So I'll be expecting market will come back into this level here. I have these two zones here, which is this one here or this one here. So this is the two zones I will be expecting markets to come into, this one or this one on 5 minutes. But I will be more confident in this one. The market should come to this one. So let me just remove this and I'll count this as a liquidity. This will be like a liquidity the market will just clear before coming to my origin, this level. So my entry will just be here. The entry will be here. And then my answer will be below this last low. Then I'll target 1:3. That's all. So that's my setup on exchange USD as well. So now let's continue to another pair. The next pair is USD card. That's the next pair. Now let's go to 15 minutes. I think I take some trades on USD card as well last week. Did I? See. Last week. Yes, I think this one I have a loss here. As well. I think USD card was just a loss for me last week. So that's it. I have a losses last week on USD card. So now back to weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame now, we have a bullish move. This is a bullish trend on the weekly time frame, as you can see, and this is our last break of structure. Since we have this last break of structure, nothing will give us another break of structure again. Just have this little excuse me. So since then we have this change of character to the downside. So market came back to this level and we are expecting a sell. So on the weekly time frame we have this bearish candle close on the weekly time frame. So with that, let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, let me just delete this so you can see what we are looking for. Okay, let's just leave it. I think we can all see what is on the charts. I think we can all see it. So we have this break of structure, this change of character, and market go back to the origins and cause change of character, give us another break of structure here. I'm expecting markets to retrace back here, then we sell. So that's it. Let's see it well on 4 hour. So on 4 hour here, this is what we are having. These are my trades I took and I just saw. So on 4 hour, this origin has been tapped into this level, this zone, and the filled. So that means this has been filled. So we are going to have, okay, this is the, so we have market have tapped into this level now. I don't, market is not coming back here again. I don't expect market to come back here again. So now we have this break of structure. So which means this origin fueled this break of structure to the downside and tapped into this level. So since we have this break of structure here, now where is another place for us to join this market now? Let's go to 1 hour so we can see where to enter. I can see a kind of reaction around here. Market is giving us a kind of reaction around here, but I won't really trust this movement, this place. I'm not really trusting this place. So coming back to this 1 hour, I can see if you refine this origin now, definitely it has not been tapped on 1 hour. It has not been tapped on 1 hour. So the origin has not been tapped. So I will be more confidence in taking this trade if markets should come into this origin here, then I will be more confident to take myself. Of course, yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not going for this. So I'm not going for this. So I'll be expecting in all the indication you have a bear, you have a broker structure, broker structure, broker structure. So we are still having a series of broker structure, and I will expect this market to just move to this level of 15 minutes to just move to this level, then I will sell for now. So now let's see on 5 minutes what do we have. Sorry. Considering this level here, I want this price to come here. The price come here, I'll take my buy from here. I'll take my buy from here. And like this. And if market doesn't come here, it just continue moving to the upside, no problem. I will just wait for it here. Let's go back to 15 minutes. So I'll just wait for it here, this place here. I'll just wait for it this place, then I'll enter for a sell. So that's my analysis on USD card. That's what I'll be looking at for on USD card as well. Now moving on to the last pair, which is Euro USD. Euro USD. I think I took some trade on Euro USD last week as well, and I hit some TP. I hit TP loads. Is it 1, 2, 3, and 4 on Euro.